Hunger, undernutrition, iron deficiency. These are just some of the problems besetting our country. There is hunger when people have no access to safe and nutritious food. If a person continues to experience hunger, his or her nutritional state will be sacrificed. Undernutrition among children 0 to 5 years old is also a public health concern.
The latest National Nutrition Survey revealed that 20% of under 5 children are underweight. This is considered medium prevalence and public health significance.
Nutrition absorption is affected when a child is prone to diseases and infections. Iron is the most common nutrient that is deficient in children's diet.
Iron is very important sa pang-araw-araw na mga activities ng mga bata para sila hindi lulugo-lugo, hindi sila mahina, and lagi silang active. Kulangan sa iron, kadalasan naging sanhi ng pagiging absent ng mga bata sa school.
The period of 6 months to 2 years old is the most critical period for good nutrition to ensure a healthy start in life and avoid early morbidity and mortality. This period is also called the window of opportunity for nutrition intervention. Food and nutrition scientists propose science and technology-based interventions to address malnutrition. The Food and Nutrition Research Institute, or FNRI, is our country's lead agency in food and nutrition research and development. Created as the Institute of Nutrition in 1947, it is one of the research and development institutes of the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST. FNRI is mandated to conduct studies not just to define our nutritional status, but also its causes and effects, and to identify solutions to these problems. Since 1978, FNRI has been conducting the National Nutrition Survey, or NNS, every 5 years.
Sa aming division, we are in charge of survey. Then may isa kaming division na sila po ang nagde-develop ng mga different foods na pwedeng ma-utilize or ma-adapt ng ating mga clients.
Through the years, FNRI continues to provide relevant technologies and scientific information on food and nutrition with the goal of improving our quality of life.
The Institute developed the iron rice premix to make it locally available so that supplies of iron fortified rice will be readily available to the public, less expensive as compared to the imported ones, and it is more acceptable to the consumers.
FNRI also shares knowledge and technologies in food and nutrition and provides science and technology services to companies such as the Nutridens Food Manufacturing Corporation. Nutridens started when Long Live Pharma President Rocky Doctor decided to branch out of his water disinfectant business to venture into food manufacturing. He started Long Live Pharma amid the acute gastroenteritis and cholera outbreak in Pangasinan in 2004. Long Live Pharma was dedicated to manufacturing only one product, the water disinfectant Hyposol.
Sa lahat ng pinupunta naming relief operations, people ask me, "Sir, meron kayong pantubig, paano naman yung aming pangkain?" So that was an opportunity that knocked on my mind. So I searched on who could be a good source of technology. and in one of the meetings with DOST, where I was invited to sit down, I come to see the bigger picture of it.
After the forum, he found a window of opportunity to invest on a snack food for children 2 years old and above, and a food blend for babies 6 to 24 months old, both made from rice and mungo grains.
Our company is committed to helping reduce the rate of malnutrition in the country. We all know that 3 of 10 children in the country are malnourished. It's either they are stunted, wasted, or obese.
A 30-gram pack of Remo Blend, for example, contains 120 kilocalories and 4 grams of protein. Meanwhile, a pack of Remo Curls contains 130 kilocalories and 4 grams of protein. The ready-to-eat brown rice nutty fruity bar has been developed as food for disaster and calamities. Momsy ready-to-eat complementary food paste for infants and young children is specifically designed to meet the nutritional requirements of children ages 6 months old up to 3 years old. Micronutrient Growth Mix contains blends of micronutrients in powder form. It fortifies meals with micronutrients commonly lacking in the Filipino diet. Iron fortified rice is a blend of well-milled rice and mineral iron in rice kernel form.
We started commercializing the iron fortified rice done through the new technology. We call it hot extrusion. Yung bigas ng iron fortified rice ngayon using the iron fortified kernel na inahalo namin. Pag kinain mo to, wala nang amoy, wala nang kulay, wala nang lasa except for the rice that you're eating. Now, it is very important that you have to eat iron fortified rice, especially children. Why? Because iron fortified rice, pag kinain mo yung 1 cup, you're getting at least 1/3 of your daily requirement of iron. Iron is very important to the body, especially for the blood.
FNRI partners with companies like Nutridence to make iron fortified rice more accessible.
Our partnership with Nutridence is going strong. They almost adopted all our developed technologies by the Institute.
The University of the Philippines Institute for Small-Scale Industries provided hands-on help by reviewing plant proposals, suggesting improved process flow, and connecting the company with potential institutional markets, and providing a satellite office in Diliman. Different government agencies have also found a window of opportunity to support FNRI.
The FNRI are disseminating our results from the surveys to the different LGUs so that they will be able to appreciate the data and make use in their local development plan for health and nutrition.
The Department of Education, or DepEd, has also released new policy guidelines on food and beverage choices in schools and in its offices.
We are now closing agreements with school, yung mga canteens nila. In line with the DepEd memorandum din, sabi niya, bawal ang mga junk foods.
Even though the technologies developed by the Institute is readily available in the market, but the public is not familiar on these nutritional benefits, I think it cannot solve the problem.
We understand that a child, a malnourished child, pag hindi mo binigyan ng intervention niya, pagtanda niya, all the deficiencies the child has will be carried over pagtanda niya. Yung what happens is palaki ng palaki yung degree, yung rate ng malnutrition. Yung mapabayan natin yun. What happens pa sa ating Pilipinas in the end? We have a mission to produce and commercialize highly good products for nutrition and envisioning a better and healthier children and families in the future.
FNRI believes that we can combat undernutrition, iron deficiency, and hunger through continuous cooperation not only of those in the government, but also of those from the private sector.